Prior to COVID-19, we ran camps on campus. But with the advent of COVID-19, of course, we want to keep everybody safe, but we also want to keep the learning going. We've actually taken a significant number of ideas from the on-campus camps and worked to incorporate those in these online camps. They will log into a classroom which has about 15 students. They're going to be given activities and they'll be working on those activities together at times and thinking through some things and talking about them and seeing what happens. The other half of the camp, the instructors will give students offline tasks to do so they can think through things and or run a small science experiment in their kitchen with things that are readily available. And we're thinking far in the future as well about this, because when a student, let's say in a middle school grade, misses a significant portion of their mathematics instruction, for example, and their next year's learning is dependent upon the knowledge gained, then we know from research that that creates a significant problem for students who are trying to engage in the next level content. And so these academic camps are meant to help overcome those challenges so that when they return to their teachers, they can be ready to go in the fall. We have kept these camps completely at cost. We're doing it to serve the students and families of our communities. I want to see what we can do. Finding ways to be innovative